Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone, and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color a cute horse puppet. Let's start drawing. Let's draw a cute eye. Then the shape of his head. Then I draw his mouth like this, his neck and his hair. Now let's draw the rest of his body, his 4 legs, and his tail like this. Great! Now let's divide it with lines like this. Great! Finally, I draw small circles in each lane. I love it! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. To color our cute horse, I'm going to use the rainbow colors. Red, orange, yellow, light green, dark green, light blue, dark blue, light purple, purple, pink, fuchsia, aqua blue, excellent! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.